Hi everyone, this is Sheetal Sapin Matre, and today I'm going to do a pick a card reading as to how your coming week is going to be. So, for today's pick a card reading, we have three options. Option number one is an orchid flower. Option number two is this beautiful white flower. Option number three is this yellow flower. All right. So you have to choose between these three options. I will bring this option again in front of you. Option number one, option number two, and option number three. So just ask your God, Goddess, and archangels how the coming week is going to be. All right. So let's get started. Hello group 1. So all those of you who chose this beautiful orchid, I will keep your flower over here. Let's see how your coming week is going to be. All right. So let's remove your tarot cards. How is group 1's week going to be? Since you got one card had just fallen, we'll take that as well. All right, let's see what blessings are going to come your way in this week. Let's see how your finances will be in the week. Let's see regarding your health what you need to know. Let's also see what changes are going to happen in your life in the coming week. And let's see the love messages. All right. So apart from all of this, we'll also see what your charms are saying, your angel numbers are saying, the universe messages. Will also spin the wheel, crystal messages, and all of that. We'll see all of that. Okay, guys? So let's see your first card, which is a 10 of Pentacles. Lovely. So definitely, guys, there is going to be a lot of, I feel that there will be some financial security happening. Okay, I also feel that there will be some sort of you may meet your family if you are away from them, so, or maybe there would be like a WhatsApp call wherein the whole family relatives would be involved. There'll be something about if you have a pet, then your week would be focused on your pet as well. Some of you may get new pets. I also feel that some of you may buy shoes, or there would be something to do with shoes is what I'm hearing. All right. I feel that there will be abundance for you guys in the coming week. Lovely, some sort of money or opportunity coming to you via a family or a friend. But overall, it's going to be a week full of, financial peace and happiness. That's since this card had, had fallen from the deck on its own. So we'll consider this card as a guidance. Okay, so family would be of importance for the coming week. The next card that you have got is the Knight of Swords. So definitely it would be an action-packed week. You will be so much, I have to do this, I have to do that, full of action. However, please ensure that you are not impulsive. Ensure that you think and then you leave. Do not drive rashly, or do not be in a hurry in terms of walking. Okay, just think before you take any action. All right, don't be too impulsive, especially in the first 2 days of the week. All right, then let's see what your next card is. The next card that you have got is Six of Swords. So this particular card is telling us that, you know, there would be some sort of journey happening. I know it's COVID, so if you are not literally traveling, it may so happen that you may travel emotionally from one phase to another. I also feel that there will be some sort of movement that will happen. You will move towards better times in the coming week, is what I'm getting. All right, let's see your next card. The next card that you have got is the King of Swords. So interestingly, you have got two swords card. Oh my god, you got three sword cards. All right, so the next week is going to be full of practicality. All right, you have to be practical in the coming week. More of brain and go with your brain is what the next week is all about. So the King of Swords is telling us that the next week is going to be, you will, there would be somebody who will be of a very successful person who has a high position. That particular person may help you. I also feel that there would be some sort of purchase of a cloth is what I'm getting, so maybe an outfit or maybe something. Also, you have got two court cards, so definitely other people will be of importance. Interestingly, however, look how beautiful the cards are. Okay, the cards are saying that even though you may start the week, okay, very in a hectic way, as if you want to move things faster and all. However, the in between of the week, you'll kind of wait. You'll be like, you know what, I need to kind of wait. Let me take some help. Let me slow down. Let me think about it. And from there, see, from a knight at the end of the week, you're graduating towards King of Swords. So there's definitely I would say a progress. All right. So definitely at the end of the, when it comes to your maturity level, when it comes to your understanding, when it comes to your thought process, from the knight you will move to the king. All right. And it would be a process. All right. And the angels are also saying that this entire journey from knight to king is going to really help you to be more wise, and your family will love it. Also, there will be some sort of opportunity which may come. Now remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave what does not. So definitely I see a progression happening in the coming week. I also feel that there will be help available. All right, somebody who will be powerful or who will be wise and powerful will be helping out. Could be from your family, friend, or family circle. Okay, or maybe a contact. Now let's see what your oracle cards are saying. What blessing? Oh my god, what did I say? Tell you guys, I just said that there is going to be support available. I just finished my sentence and this is what the card you get next. So definitely there will be support available in the coming week. There will also be victory. And if you see both these cards, all right, over here also he's blazing ahead, and over here also he is blazing ahead. So I feel very clear, very strongly that the coming week there will be a lot of movement, victory. I also feel that you guys are connected to Archangel Michael is what I'm getting. So a lot of the entire week Archangel Michael will be with you. Don't be surprised if some toxic people go out of your life in the coming week. All right, so this was your blessing coming your way. Let's see what your abundance card is, what finances, how the finances will be. So there will be some sort of change in your career. Okay, some sort of change. Could be a minor change, like as small as maybe some sort of work that you used to do. There could be a minor change, like what you used to do, you may implement something new in it. Or there could be a major change like shifting of a department, or could also be a job. All right, so whatever this change is, it is going to move you towards a higher direction. I feel that it could happen that an ex-colleague of yours or somebody whom you used to work before may call you up and tell you that, hey, there's an opportunity, would you be interested? All right, if you are into a business, okay, there would be some sort of addition to the product line or deletion to the product line. All right, but this particular change will be good for you. I feel that some of you who are into corporate will take baby steps towards, starting your business or working on your business idea. All right. However, there would be a change in the workplace happening, and this change will be for better. And see, interestingly, okay, you did get, the Six of Swords, which talks about movement. Okay, movement from worse times to a better times. Okay, now let's see what changes are going to come your way. So you have got the card healthcare change. So definitely this particular card is telling us that now, interestingly, again, you the next week, okay, the coming week, expect a lot of changes, because you got the card employment change, you got the card healthcare change, you also got support over here. So it may so happen that there you may make some changes in your health routine. Maybe you'll adopt a diet, or maybe you will change your diet, maybe you will change your doctor, maybe you were taking some medicines which you may discontinue because of some advice. So definitely I do see some sort of, however, the change is going to be better. The good news is the change is going to be better. All right. So interestingly, I'm so amazed, the way both the cards are talking about change, and even your cards are talking about change, from knight to a king. Okay, change is going to be better. All right. I feel that some of you may adopt some sort of alternate therapy in your health routine. Okay, some sort of alternate therapy, could be yoga, could be aromatherapy, acupressure, homeopathy. Some sort of alternate therapy is what you guys are going to add in your routine, is what I am hearing. All right, let's see how your health is going to be. All right, so see how all the cards mirror each other. So over here, I did tell you, your week from worst, you're going to go towards better times. So again, this Archangel Raphael is telling you to leave stress behind. All right, you have been working so hard, especially last week has been very, very hectic for you. So this week you need to leave stress behind. I also feel that some of you would work towards maybe, giving emotional support to a friend, to a sibling, to a child. I feel that even you are going to support someone. All right, is what I am feeling. Now let's see what your love cards are telling us. Okay, so you got fate. All right, which means and trust. All right, so this week you may meet someone. All right, and it would be like a like a synchronization, everything falling into synchronization to make it happen. Also, the angels want you to trust. Okay, I feel that you have had bad experiences in love if you are single, and that has kind of made you doubt every new person whom you meet. Also, I feel at times you feel, what if this, when you meet somebody new, you feel, what if even this doesn't work out, what if this person does the same thing to me what my ex did to me. So you need to stop doubting everybody you meet. You need to start trusting on God, on your ability to decipher, okay, who is right for you, who is not right for you. All right, you need to believe, you need to trust. All right, the ones who are already married, I feel that you need to kind of build on trusting each other. You need to understand that fate have got you both together, and you should kind of work on your relationship. This is what I am getting for your love. Okay, now let's see what your charms, what your universe message, and all other divination tools are telling us. Okay, I'll keep your cards back. Now let's see what charms you have got for the coming week. Okay, let's see the universe messages. Right, you got quite a lot of messages. Okay, let's see your crystal message. All right, then we'll see alphabet. Keep them over here. Let's see your angel number 2. What angel numbers are telling us. Okay, and at the end we will see your what your wheel of fortune is saying. So first let's look at your charm. You got, wow, you got Eiffel Tower and you got the plane, and interestingly you had also got the card of movement, all right, in your tarot cards. It's the 6 of Swords, remember guys? So again, okay, see, you had got the card 6 of Swords, all right? So definitely a movement is happening in your life. If you're not literally traveling, you may travel from one phase of your life to another for sure. Okay, interestingly you have also got the wheel. The wheel talks about movement. Oh my god, you know, that's why I love using different divination tools. See how all of your there is going to be a change, guys, be ready. Okay, see, you know, the wheel of fortune, okay, the wheel talks about movement, okay, and that's what your cards were also indicating. You have got the flower card, which means a lot of beauty. It may so happen that you may buy something related to beauty, okay. Maybe you'll get some sort of salon services done. You may visit a salon, or beauty treatment you will do for yourself. You have got fish, so maybe you are eating fish right now when you're watching this video, or maybe you will you may buy some fish oil for cooking, or you may buy some fish oil related tablets for your health. Fish also represents abundance, so I do see, and you did get the 10 of Pentacles card, guys. All right, so definitely there is going to be abundance coming your way. It's amazing, right? See, you had got the 10 of Pentacles. I also feel that if you have a fish tank, that's going to be of importance for you in the coming week. You're going to pay attention to it. Now let's see what your universe messages are telling us. So you got Capricorn and Taurus. So either you are a Taurus or a Capricorn, or you may meet somebody who's a Taurus or a Capricorn. All right, you did get the you did get the laughter smiley, so laugh it out, guys. And you did get the card, remember, you did get the card leave a stressful situation behind. So this week ensure that you laugh more and stress less. All right, let's see what your other universe messages are. You got believe and you will succeed. All right, so you need to, and you also did get the trust card. See how beautifully the cards and the messages. See, I'm removing everything in front of you in terms of the cards, the universe messages. So believe and you are going to succeed. So trust is the key, guys. You then got life is a beautiful ride. All right, so I feel that, and again it's talking about ride, and you did get the 6 of Swords, which talks about movement. You did get the Wheel of Fortune, which also talks about movement. So definitely there is going to be a lot of changes. There's going to be a forward movement happening in your life. I also feel this week you are going to buy flowers. All right, I forgot, you know, either you'll buy flowers or floral perfume this week. Okay, again you got the laughter emojis. So clearly, guys, this week laugh it out. All right, to find yourself, think for yourself. So put yourself, be a priority. All right, this week do not, you know, keep yourself as an option. If there's a situation which is you or something else, choose yourself. All right. Okay, so this were your universe messages. We will see what your words are telling us this week. Let me make it straight. All right. Oh, you got a number as well. Okay, yeah, we did remove an angel number. That's so silly of me. Okay, let me. It could be your first name, middle name, last name, or it could also be that you may meet somebody with that kind of name. My God, so many alphabets you guys have got. So the first word that I can actually see is date. All right, date is what I can see very clearly. I'm also getting the word save. All right, save, date. I'm seeing the word win. You did get the card of support. All right, I also am getting rid. As I told you that you will be getting rid of some toxic people the coming week. All right, bus. All right, something to do with bus, I guess. Okay. Maybe somebody named Raj is seeing this. Raj or Rosa or Rose. Okay. All right. I'm also seeing the word jar. Okay. Jar. All right. Oh, you. All right. So these are the words that I got. You please, if you can make more words, do make it and write in the comment section. I so enjoy reading all of your how creative and how amazing your vocabulary is. All right. So definitely you're going to win something. All right. Save the date. Okay, there's some important date coming this week. Could be your birthday as well, if you never know. Birthday, or could be an anniversary, or could be some special one's birthday. A jar, I feel, jar, I feel something which is blocked needs to be released. All right. Bus also talks about movement, so definitely the angel number that you have got is 61. 6 and 1 is 7. So you are on the right path. Material needs will be met. You need to use law of attraction. You got the crystal citrine. Citrine is a crystal of luck, prosperity. It also represents the sun element. So maybe some of you are lacking of vitamin D is less or something. So get it checked. Also, I feel that southeast corner of your home, if you have clutter, please remove that clutter. Southeast, south or southwest, all right, in your home. Lovely. What an amazing cards you have got. So group 1, your week definitely looks good. Now let's see your wheel of fortune. So ask a question, all right, regarding your coming week or maybe in general, and let me spin the wheel for you. Okay, you got no. Please remember, since it's a general reading, it will take the take the energy of the entire group who was picking up. All right, so the answer is no, but your cards and your charms and the theme of this week is, guys, change, movement. So let's say a quick prayer for all of you based on your reading. So dear God, Goddess, Archangels, and all those spirit guides and ascended masters who are listening to us, as you have guided that group 1, there would be a lot of changes coming in their life in this week. So please ensure that all the changes are extremely comfortable for them and they enjoy these changes, and these changes lead to beautiful surprises, happiness, joy, prosperity and health. This or better, thank you. All right, group 1, this is your reading. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye. Hello, group 2. So, all those of you who chose this beautiful white flower, here is your reading. I will keep your flower over here. All right, and let's see what your tarot, angel cards, charms, crystal messages, universe messages are telling about the coming week. All right, so let's see. Group 2. Right. Let's see what blessings are coming your way. Let's see how your finances are going to be. Let's see how your health will be. Message for your health. Let's see what changes are going to come in your life. Okay. All right. Let's see about your love life for the coming week. Okay. So let's see, guys, how your week is going to be. You got the 8 of Wands. So 8 of Wands means that there will be, again, travel. Could be a literal travel or could be movement from one phase of your life to another. I feel that this week you're going to, whatever comes your way, whatever issues, problems come your way, you're going to fight it out. You're going to go ahead, you're going to race ahead, you're going to be a lot of fast movement happening in your life. There will be so many changes, so many unexpected movement, okay, happening in your life, that you would be like you'll be like, oh my god, what is happening, but in a good way. Okay, lot of movement happening in the coming week, lot of action. It's an action packed week, guys. The next card that you have got is 5 of Cups. So it may so happen that there would be some sort of disappointments also in the coming week, but the angels are telling you that do not waste your time in crying over situation which is out of your control or which you cannot change. All right, so there will be some disappointments in the coming week, but there will be there would be it would be a blessing in disguise in some way. Okay, the next card that you have got is Page of Wheels. So there would be money coming your way. You will learn some new skill, or there'll be something that you will be learning in the coming week. I also feel that you'll be very grateful for there would be some sort of material event or material situation that will happen, for which you will be grateful. All right, I do see a lot of something to do with sun element is what I am getting very strongly. So Sunday would be there would be something that will happen on a Sunday is what I'm getting. So interestingly, your week will start completely action packed. However, in between of the week you may feel bored, sad, or disappointed. Also ensure that you don't emotionally eat, or you don't eat unhealthy food items also. So keep your drinking levels in check. The unhealthy beverages I'm talking about. So even so the week will, even if it will start at a very fast pace. After that, there could be some disappointments. However, you will come out of it. You will come out of it more. You will learn from it. Okay, there would be a mistake or there would be a disappointment. However, you learn from that particular disappointment. So the middle of the week, or in the entire week, there could be some up and down, but that's all right. That's how life is. But there's always something good to look something positive is there's all In every negative there's something positive, guys. So I don't want you to focus on this card only. I want you to focus on this and this card, which is fast movement, forward movement, money coming your way, learning happening, gratitude happening. So you're going to be grateful, okay? You're going to be grateful for something in the coming week. Let's see what blessing is coming your way. A blessing to bring prosperity, guys. What did I tell you? There will be, you are going to be grateful for some sort of finances. I did tell you, and see, there will definitely a blessing of prosperity coming your way. I also feel that you guys are going to buy apples, okay? Or some sort of fruits, okay? You're going to buy, invest in fruits this time. I also feel that you'll be getting a lot of intuitive downloads. I feel that there will be, your root chakra will be getting healed. You will feel more secure. All right. So blessing is definitely money coming your way. Let's see what your finances are telling. Detox your friendships. So there would be some sort of detoxification happening in the coming week. Maybe that's why you may feel sad. So somebody who is not good for you will go out of your life in the coming week. Funny, that pile 1 also has similar cards. Okay, so if you're attracted to pile 1, you should see pile 1 too. So there are toxic people around you who will go out of your life, and that will kind of bring abundance in your life for sure. Some changes happening in the friendship area. Let's see what your health is telling us for the coming week. Alternative medicine. Oh my god, pile 1 and pile 2 are so similar. Okay, so this week you may take some sort of alternative therapy. Maybe it could be as simple as taking healing from someone, or it could be that you may get an alternate to the medicine that you're taking for a particular health issue. All right, I also feel that there is going to be a lot of divine healing happening in your life. Okay, I do feel that, as I said, you may take some sort of homeopathy, homeopathy, or not allopathy, homeopathy, or aromatherapy, acupressure, acupuncture. So some sort of alternative medicine you are going to take. Okay, it could also mean you are going to take positive steps for your health. I'm also getting that some of you will start a diet with full NQ in the week. However, in between of the week, you will feel so sad and so low because you're not able to eat the food that you enjoy. But at the end of the week, when you will see that weighing scale and you will see how your weighing scale is reflecting the measurement, the weight that you are looking at, you will be really happy. The diet could be for weight gain, weight loss, but there would be some sort of positive movement. Okay, so alternative medicine. Now let's see what changes are going to come in your life. Sobriety. Okay, so I feel that some of you are in a bad company. So this may be bad company or toxic people. So these toxic people are going to go out of your life, which is going to remove some addictions out of your life. So next week, you're not only going to detox friendship, I also feel that you are going to detox your life. All right, you're going to be more sober. You're going to choose healthy habits. You're going to choose people who are healthy for you. You are going to get rid of all that which is not serving you. Now let's see your love message. Rejection. Oh my god, what did I tell you guys? It's so awesome, and all the cards resonate. All right, and acceptance. So everything happens for a reason. So when love does not only mean romantic love. Okay, so when you're going to when this person is going to go out of your life, or it may so happen that you are looking forward to a particular date, and or there may be some kind of rejection that you may receive in the coming week, but that rejection is actually going to be a divine protection. It will be the divine's way of protecting you from getting trapped with this person. And you need to understand that whatever happens, there is a reason, and the reason is always good. Okay, so this is your message with terms of the oracle cards, the angel cards. So yes, money will come next week. I think in the personal front, there will be somebody going out of your life for the better. So detoxification is definitely going to happen in the coming week. Now let's see what your charms are telling us. I don't know why I'm pulling more charms for you. I just don't know, but I do feel like it. Okay. All right. This is your charms. Let's see the universe messages. All right. Let me mix it up really good. Okay. All right. So many of them have come. Okay. Let's see what they are in some time. Okay, let's see your alphabets. I think that are enough. I pull too many alphabets at times. Let's see your angel number. Okay, let's see what crystal message you have. All right, so let's see. Okay, we'll see your Wheel of Fortune in some time. Okay, so let's first see what your charms are. So you have got the Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty. So liberty also means freedom. Okay, so something to do with US if you are looking at that. I also feel that there is going to be an achievement. Okay, achievement of some sort. You have got the crown, so recognition is going to come your way, guys, in the coming week. You have, oh my god, you did get the camera. So could be you may click a picture, upload on Facebook or your social media, and you'll get a lot of likes. I also feel that some of you are into the movie business or you're a photographer, so recognition coming your way for sure. Or maybe you are going to travel for shooting, or maybe there's some international this could also mean that there could be some international clients coming your way, or money coming via US or something like that. You have got this sunflower emoji which is smiling. How cute is that? And the flower. Okay, so 2 flowers you have got. So maybe you may buy a floral perfume, flowers. You may receive flowers in the coming week. I also feel that you are going to be really very happy. Okay, beauty. I feel that you're going to beautify your home in some way is what I'm getting. And you got the bow. So maybe you'll buy some outfit, or you'll spend money on makeover. Oh yes, you did. Oh my god, look this particular charm. She's so decked up. Okay, and the bow and the crown. So this week definitely you are going to spend, either you're going to spend on yourself in terms of your looks, or there is some sort of, maybe some sort of, or you're going to just get dressed up, click picture for social media and upload it. Okay, you have got the butterfly. So a lot of transformation is going to happen in the coming week. It's a butterfly, right? Yeah, I think it's a butterfly, or is it a bee? Do write in the comment section what do you think this emoji, this particular charm is. If it's a butterfly, a lot of transformation is happening in your life. If it's a bee, as the 8 of Wands said, a lot of work. Okay, fast work is happening. You have got this beautiful seashell. So I feel that you somehow either pray to goddess Lakshmi or goddess Fortuna, or I feel that you're connected. Again, you did get the card of prosperity. Okay, so this I consider this as a symbol of goddess Lakshmi, who is the daughter of the ocean. So definitely this is a confirmation that there is going to be prosperity coming in your life in the coming week. All right. You got the number 5, which means it's a number of changes, sort of changes happening. I feel definitely with the crown and the camera, a lot of positive recognition coming your way. Let's see your universe messages. You have got happiness is a cup of coffee and a good book. So definitely you may go for go for a coffee date. All right, with somebody. You may read something good. Since you also got the card, you did get the card, a page of wheels, which talks about learning and education. So this book is also talking about, at times, you know, you need a good cup of coffee and a book to just unwind and relax. You got make your own path. So this week, try something new. Okay, try something new, walk your own path, now or never. So definitely this week, you know, there's an idea that you have been contemplating on whether I should do it or whether I should not do it. All right, so there's, you know, and this particular idea is something which is going to help you and others too. So the angels are telling you, go ahead, you know, don't, if it is not now, it's never. Okay, all right. Then you got the little pilot. So there, you know, interestingly, you got the pilot also, and you got this particular. So definitely there is a movement happening for the better, and you did get the angry emoji. So this week, even if somebody you know, makes you angry, do not get angry, be calm, be, you know, be a little bit tolerant. All right, you got save the date. See, I told you, right? So there's something, you know, if you were attracted to pile 1, do see pile 1, guys, because I see a lot of similarities. All right, so movement happening. It's maybe it's your birthday coming this week, or maybe it could be that there is some important date that is going to happen in the coming week. Now let's see what your alphabets are saying. Okay, this is an angel number. Let's see, it could be a first name, middle name, last name, or somebody whom you're going to meet. Their first name, middle name, last name. All right, let me. So first I am seeing the word time. Okay, I see the word time, and even over here you got now or never. Okay, you did get the now or never. Something important this week, guys. Don't procrastinate. All right, maybe some important event, task that may come your way, take it up. Fund. Okay, fund. So some fund coming your way. You did get the page of pentacles. Over here I'm getting date again. You did also get save the date. You also got date. All right, I'm getting okay, can. Okay, X. So maybe this week you may spend time thinking about your ex. All right, but don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. All right, there's a reason they are in our past and not in our future. So these are the words that I'm getting. Ox, you know, and this 3, I can't really make any word out of it right now. So funds coming your way. Remember, you can do it. Okay, we can actually, you know, there's actually this entire line which is getting made. Okay, can do it. All right, see, you can do it. See, oh my god, see, you can do it. The entire sentence got made. It. So maybe, you know, eat. All right, so, and see, X. All right, so maybe you need to eat. X would mean, you know, like let go of that ex, okay, from your mind. So these are the words that I'm getting, guys. Now let's see your message angel number. You got the number 57, which again, you also had the number 5. So definitely positive change is going to come in this particular week. You are on the right path, guys. See, you also got the make your own path. All right. So yes, 7 also talks about you are on the right path. You got lapis, all right. So you need to speak out, you need to speak up, okay. To speak, lapis is talking to, telling you, I feel that you could, I feel that you are into field of communication, guys. So speak up, speak up. Speaking up is important for you. All right, so now let's see what your wheel of fortune is going to tell us. All right, so think about a situation or an answer which you want, and I will spin the wheel. You got yes, guys. Wow, that's awesome. So this was your weekly reading. I hope you enjoyed it. Do write in the comment section what you resonated with. I'm so looking forward to read them. All right, this is Sheila Sapan Matre. Bye bye. Group 2, I forgot to say a prayer for you. So here I am. So this is the prayer for you based on your cards. So the prayer goes like this. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, please be with Group 2 for the coming week. Ensure that all the changes that are going to happen in their life, they are completely supported, and the changes are smooth, and at the end of the day they are happy, at peace, prosperous. Please bless them with good health, happiness, peace and prosperity. This or better, thank you. All right, Group 2, take care. Bye bye. Hello, Group 3. So all those of you who chose this beautiful yellow flower, this is my personal favorite when it comes to flowers as well, apart from the roses. So I will keep your flower over here, and let's see how your coming week is going to be. Group 3, coming week. All right, let's see what blessing is going to come your way. Oops, let me pick your cards. They just fell down. All right, oops, I hope I shake the camera right. Sorry. So these 4 cards have fallen down, so I will take all of them. All right, there's a reason. Let's see how your finances are going to be. Message for your health for the coming week. Let's see what changes are going to come in your life. All right, let's see a love message. All right, interesting. I'm so excited to see you got 4 cards as blessings. So this week, a lot of blessings coming your way, guys. So let's see your first tarot card. You got the 5 of Wands. Sort of competition is going to happen in the coming week. There will be a lot of friendly competition. Okay, you may play games with your friends. You may meet your friends, or you may play a virtual game with your friends, because they're very happy. If you see this card, they look very happy while playing games. So I feel that somehow I'm kind of hearing some of you are going to play cricket, okay, and you kind of did not play it for a very long time. Okay, so some sort of game, of course. I also feel there could be some friendly teasing happening. Your friends may pull your leg in the coming week. There would be some sort of some of you may also get into arguments. So don't don't kind of pull those arguments for a very long time. Let's see what your other tarot cards are saying. The next card that you have got is Queen of Cups. Wow. So your intuition is going to be all-time high. You may meet a psychic, or you may have an appointment with a fortune teller, and that particular fortune teller is going to guide you. I also feel that I'm hearing the word Baglamukhi. Okay, so maybe some of you pray to goddess Baglamukhi. All right, I do feel that there would be emotionally you are see, what may happen is the arguments, okay, the arguments of the fight may make you emotional. All right, so don't let this it could be with your mother. Okay, so don't argue or fight with your mother or mother-in-law. I am getting over here that with this card I am kind of getting that your intuition will be very high. Some of you will see that your hair is growing. Okay, or maybe the texture is improving, or some improvement in your hair is what I am seeing. You may buy something for your home which is luxurious, or maybe for yourself. Okay, I do see lot of there would be a lady who will be emotionally wise, who will take care of you or who will support you in some way. All right, now let's see your next tarot card, King of Cups. Okay, some of you are going to meet your parents is what I am getting. So it's definitely the week is emotional. All right, and since you got 2 court cards, other people will be playing an important part in your life. It may so happen some of you may meet your doctor. There would be a doctor's appointment in the coming week. Or I feel that some of you are going to buy shoes. All right, shoes, or maybe your feet is paining. All right, so and that feet is paining, you need to show a doctor. All right, stay hydrated, guys. Since you got 2 cup cards, hydration is important in the coming week. So but interestingly, see, there looks like a competition, and then from that competition you emerge as a queen and then as a king. So there is a progress in your cards. All right, what you can see from the cards clearly is a progress, a movement. See, when the cards are like this, okay, from the like 5 queen king, so there is an upward movement in the coming week. So that's good, that's great. Now let's see the blessings. I'm so excited to see your blessings. All right, the first blessing, a blessing on a friendship. Wow. So this, as I said to you, there would be a lady who may help you, but also a male. Okay, but this particular lady and this man, they are emotionally wise. So it looks like a couple. Okay, a couple who may help you. So definitely friendship, a good friendship, or you may meet a friend. That's your next blessing, a blessing to heal a relationship. Wow, that's so beautiful. So maybe some of you who are not talking to a friend, okay, that there could be you and that friend coming together again. All right, or could be there could be, if a husband and wife had a fight, maybe they may reconcile. All right, I'm not talking about exes over here, guys. All right, let's see the next card, blessing on a battle that cannot be avoided. And see over here, so definitely, wow, this is a card of battle, and this is also talking. So in this, there is going to be some sort of argument that's going to happen in the coming week. However, you will have an edge in that argument. Okay, you will have an edge in that argument clearly. So blessing on a battle that cannot be avoided. All right, lovely. See how beautiful the cards resonate. Let's see your next blessing, a blessing to bring prosperity. Wow, even pile 2 got this card. Lovely. So you're getting friendship, you're getting healing a relationship, you're getting prosperity. What awesome cards, guys. So money coming your way, friendship coming your way, relationship healing happening. Now let's see what your finances are telling us. Release jealousy. So guys, somewhere, okay, frustration. I would call it frustration. You are frustrated. All right. Something has happened that has kind of frustrated you this next week, which looks emotional to me. You need to, not let frustration get the better of you. All right, because there are a lot of blessings coming your way, so many blessings coming your way. So appreciate those blessings, be emotionally wise. Okay, everybody has emotions, but how we channelize the emotions determines the kind of day we have. All right. So for example, somebody may accidentally spill, okay, a juice on their shirt. Now either they can get completely frustrated, they may curse and ruin their day, or they may just go and change their shirt and wear a different shirt. All right, and just move on. So it completely depends on how you handle a particular situation emotionally. So be emotionally wise, especially when it comes to finances. Don't, because since the prosperity is going to come your way any which way, in case if you feel jealous, okay, or insecure, don't be. All right. The next card in terms of health, you have got organic food. So eat more healthy in the coming week. It may so happen that I feel that some of you are fasting or some of you are in some sort of diet. So eat healthy foods, okay, if you want to improve your health. All right, let's see the changes coming in the coming week. Windfall, oh my god, look at this, guys. A blessing to bring prosperity and windfall. So financially, the coming week looks good. Wow, lovely, lovely. Just don't take emotional decisions, all right, when it comes to money. Let's see your love cards. You got longing and regret. So clearly, since you did get this particular card, the blessing to heal a relationship, expect apologies. All right, it may so happen that you may apologize to someone or somebody will come and apologize to you. All right, also this card is saying that there is somebody who really longs for you and regrets that why did they let you go. It could be an ex. All right, they really regret that I should have not let gone of this person. It's a mistake that I did. So that will also happen. So wow, the love life also looks good. So basically group 3, it's an emotional week, but money wise it is a very good week. But you are going to get so many blessings. So, and even emotionally, if I see, it's a good week because friendship and healing relationship card you have got. You have got the blessing in a battle that cannot be avoided. So the blessings coming your way are amazing too. Now let's see what your charms and are telling us, the universe messages, your wheel of fortune. Let's see what all of them are saying. Okay. All right, let's see your charms. Let's shuffle them really good. Okay. Let's see your angel messages, universe messages. All right, let's see. Oh, one just fell off. Okay. Let's see, take some alphabets. One more, a crystal message. Oh, it came on its own. All right, I will take you. Okay, so now let's see what your charms are saying. Okay, I'll keep you got a rainbow. So a lot of colors happening. Okay, you then got you got the maybe you're going to hear some good music, or maybe some of you're planning to learn a musical instrument, so go ahead, guys. I feel that healing happening via music. You may listen to some guided meditation which has got music. Interestingly, you got spectacles and glares. So guys, open your eyes. This week you have to open your eyes, all right? You cannot be blindfolded. I also feel that you may actually buy spectacles or glares. I feel that something which was hidden from you will come into your awareness, all right? You have got the wheel of fortune, so positive moment, and any which way you got windfall, right? Windfall, you got prosperity, sort of blessings coming your way. See, you got the heart, okay? And interestingly, you did get healing relationship, okay? Healing relationship. So a lot of love coming your way this week. You got the mustache, so maybe you're trying to grow a mustache or something, or maybe you're some of you may, you know, get waxing done, laser for removing hair is what I am getting from this charm. Also, you got ice cream, so definitely you will eat ice cream. Also, you may eat some sweets, all right, but ensure that you don't go overboard. Then you got this particular your plane. So some of you are traveling for sure, and some of you are going to move from one phase of life to another. Lovely, lovely. Let's see your universe messages. You got enjoy every moment. Awesome. You got never be afraid of change. Lovely. Any which way change. And you got, oh my god, that's so awesome. You got the butterfly emoji, the universe message, and never be afraid. Both of them are talking about change. So definitely change happening in your life in the coming week. You got Taurus and Capricorn. So either you are a Taurus or a Capricorn, or some Taurus or a Capricorn will be of importance in the coming week, guys. Lovely, lovely. Now let's see what your alphabets are telling us. Okay, let me straighten it out. All right. Lead. Okay. Lead. All right. I'm sorry, but I'm seeing the word war. Okay, I'm also getting good. Good. All right. Also God. All right. I and you. All right. So I'm getting this words only, guys. See what you can get from this. I don't have V, right? I lead. Okay, go. All right, go war. I think there's going to be a some sort of you did get, you know, a battle that can't be avoided. Okay, you did get the card, you know, blessing on a battle that can be avoided. So definitely go, you know, go and lead the war. Go lead the war. Yeah, lovely. You got Moss again, which again talks about prosperity. Okay, so and you did get the blessing, and you interestingly you got two cards which spoke about prosperity. One was the blessing on prosperity, and one was the windfall card. Let me remove that for you. Okay, see, you got the windfall and the prosperity card, and this particular Moss agate is also talking about prosperity. So definitely money coming your way, guys, no doubt about it. Wow, that was something. We did not remove angel number. Let's remove an angel number for you. All right. Oh, you got two angel numbers. Okay, let's see. 27 and 73. So 27, you maybe are seeing the number 777 often. You are on the right path. Have faith. There are millions of ascended masters, God, goddess, and angels supporting you. So nothing to worry, guys. You are completely safe. Everything is going to be completely fine. All right. Now let's see what your wheel is telling us. Oh, so think about a question again. Okay, I'll spin the wheel again. Think about a question, and let me spin the wheel again for you. Wow, what an amazing, see how it has come on maybe. Okay, this is the line, it has come on maybe. All right, so whatever you asked, it came twice maybe. Okay, so the answer is maybe. Now let me say a quick prayer for you based on the cards that you got. So dear God, goddess, guardian angels of group 3, please help them to release any kind of insecurity and replace that insecurity with peace. Please let them be emotionally wise in the coming week. Let them be blessed with prosperity, a good friendship. Be with them and let them have a lot of peace in the coming week. All right, God, this or better, thank you. Okay guys, this was how group 3 your week looked like. I hope you enjoyed this reading. Do write in the comment section what you resonated with. I so look forward to reading all your comments. And this is Sheila Sapan Matre. Have a great day ahead. Bye-bye. And remember, do like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Bye-bye. Thank you.